Multiple intelligence and learning styles. Students reveal diverse learning styles and multiple intelligences. Only by understanding these different abilities that instructors can best plan the best method of teaching in order to assess students' grasp. The article demonstrates how the two education styles relate. The theory of multiple intelligence states that persons have the natural capability to excel in particular spheres where teaching has to point out and build up. The concept of learning style has it that individuals possess a given way of learning that works for them, and therefore teachers should keep it in mind when educating the students. The way students process ideas, the way well they learn and how they retain directly relies on the person's education approach. Instructors have the feeling that if they keep on repeating the same thing from time to time, students will grasp the concept. However, this is not true. Not all students learn through own learning techniques, as they do so best through various ways. All students do not have the same intelligence level. Individuals have different intelligence degrees that relate to their operations. All of them are used alongside each other and do complement each other during the time an individual is developing skills. Students have divergent learning styles and multiple intelligences. It is, therefore, a different methodology of teaching as compared to initial systems whereby they emphasized the use of spoken and mathematical intelligences. Keeping in mind the different learning styles and intelligences of students, instructors have to employ skills that engage all the intelligences and learning styles. This will boost the students' morale and also make teachers reinforce materials in all ways, leading to the facilitation of a deeper understanding of the subject. Education technology influence on students. Education in modern times has become a wide aspect that goes beyond the classroom setting. The main challenge of education today is how to employ the best methods and practices of this local scene. Technology is one of the major ways of incorporating both learners and teachers outside the classroom. Education technology is the employment of hardware, software, and other digital software to aid learning by both instructors and students. However, its main role has not been well strategized up to now, despite the numerous achievements it has contributed to the education sector. There are various situations in which education technology has influenced students. To begin with, technology has changed learners' and teachers' functions, thereby increasing motivation in learning. Students in a classroom setting always played a passive role of receiving information from their instructors. Nonetheless, technology has come in handy, helping them on how to source ideas, manipulate and even display data. Students can dynamically reflect regarding the information, make choices, and exercise their techniques, unlike classroom teacher lessons. The instructors too are no longer the central figure in learning, as they act as facilitators to give guidelines. This stimulates so much active mental work on the students' part, making them creative, innovative, and eager to learn even more in their specific areas of study. Besides, education technology too has also had a negative effect on students. It reduces students' concentration ability and the strength to keep at it in tough situations. Constant employ of technology by students has an impact on the conduct, especially in rising brains due to deep stimulus and quick concentration shifts. Students cannot perform simple tasks on their own involving thinking, since they will always rely on technology for solutions. The education system should adjust to accommodate the best technological methods that will enhance students' learning with the aid of both their teachers and technology. A clear balance should be set up in order for the students to utilize the resources adequately.